Hey guys, welcome back to Alleviated Soul. So today was the day 20 of the 100 days challenge to build yourself as a brand, and I woke up today at 5 a.m. Actually, from few days I was feeling to wake up at 4 a.m. because in the lockdown when I used to wake up, I was very spiritual. Okay, so at that time I used to wake up at 4 o'clock, and it was like a very productive day because I used to wake up at 4 and the day was very longer for me, and like that I used to able to complete a lot of work even though I slept early. And if we count it like practically, still the amount of time I get by waking up 4 o'clock is same, even if I wake up at 6 or 7, because if I wake up at 6 or 7, anyways I'll sleep late, so it's the duration is the same, but I'm not very productive at early mornings. So if I wake up early, I get this thought in my mind that I have woke up for a reason, and if I waste that time like scrolling through phone or anything, then I feel like sacrificing my sleep for scrolling on the phone was not at all worth. So usually when I wake up this early, I don't tend to waste my time, and that is what happens maybe in my mind, I don't know. But yeah, that's why I was kind of feeling like to wake up at 4 o'clock, but I could not. I did actually wake up, wake up, but could not open my eyes. So I haven't actually even kept the alarm. I kept the alarm at 5 o'clock only. Okay, so after that, after waking up, I went and drank water, and then directly set for doing my work because I had to finish it, the pending ones. So I did that. Afterwards I worked continuously for 9:30, and then I got freshened up and had my breakfast. After that I set again to do the work, continued it with till afternoon. And also one more thing, my first commercial ad, it got released, and I can't tell you how happy I am seeing that. It turned out really, really beautiful. I had just seen the clips, and the edited video was not even sent to me, but they just posted it, and I was doing the work. At that time, I saw the video, and oh my god, I really loved the video. It was like so pretty. I mean, I was looking pretty, but even the video was good. It was for a jewelry shoot. Okay, so I really loved it. I went quickly, I ran to my parents and I showed them the video. They were really, really happy to see it. I really got happy. I mean, this was like one of my dream to be shooting like this, and finally that came true. I mean, I just can't express how happy I was. I'm still happy. Okay, then after that I had my lunch and then started with the work and continued doing it. Then at 4:30 I went to bath, and I had a meeting at 6:30, so I thought of finishing work like till by that time, so that I can then go for the meeting because I didn't know when I was going to come back. So I sat down for doing the work, and I texted them to confirm where was the meeting and whether it is even confirmed or what. Like it was confirmed only, but the place was not been told. So I did that, and I got a text saying that the meeting was been postponed. Then I was like, okay, so I carried up with my work. Then at 7 I got freshened up and had my dinner. Then I was again like, I got this urge that from tomorrow I have to start like to wake up at 4 o'clock, because I don't know, even 5 is not bad, but I was getting this willingness again and again to wake up at 4 o'clock. That's why finally I decided, okay, so I'm gonna wake up at 4 o'clock. and I quickly sat down to make a timetable for that, because if I in the early morning, if I don't have a timetable of what I was going to do after waking up, then I usually tend to waste my day, like that time, thinking that what I have to do. That's why I'm created this timetable. It was the same timetable that I had for 5 o'clock, like the routine, but just kind of shifted the timings and some little adjustments over there. So I made it for 4 o'clock. After that, that actually took a long time for me, and I slept at 9:30. Actually, the plan was to sleep at 8 o'clock to wake up at 4 o'clock, but I had to sit down to make a timetable, so it was 9:30. After that, I kept the alarm and then went to sleep. Now we'll see whether we wake up at 4 o'clock or no, because I slept late, so I don't have that much of surety that I will wake up at 4. But I have this very strong willingness to wake up on time. So sometimes this willingness helps me to wake up without even an alarm. So I think I'll wake up. So let's see. We'll find that out tomorrow. For today's day came to an end, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Take care.